அடுத்ததாக மாவட்ட ரீதியில் இந்த செயல் திட்டத்தை எவ்வாறு முன்கொண்டு செல்லலாம் அல்லது மாவட்ட ரீதியிலான அபிவிருத்திக்கு இந்த மாநாட்டை எவ்வாறு பயன்படுத்திக் கொள்ளலாம் என மாவட்ட செயலாளர்கள் எவ்வாறான கருத்துக்களை பகிர்ந்து கொள்ளப் போகின்றார்கள் என்பதை தொடர்ந்து நாங்கள் பார்க்க போகின்றோம். அந்த வகையில் இப்பொழுது நாங்கள் அன்போடு அழைப்பது வவுனியா மாவட்ட செயலாளர் திரு PA சரச்சந்திர அவரை அன்போடு அழைக்கின்றோம். தன்னுடைய கருத்துக்களை தொடர்பாக பகிர்ந்து கொள்வதற்காக அவரோடு அவருடைய பிரதிநிதியையும் நாங்கள் இப்பொழுது அழைக்கின்றோம்.
That is right, Deepa. Now looking at what sort of plans the districts have or the opportunities that are there for investments in terms of districts, we would like to start off with welcoming Mr. P.A. Sarachandra, the District Secretary of the District Secretariat of Vaunia. And he'll be talking on behalf of the district about the investing in North in the district of Vaunia. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. P.A. Sarachandra.
Good afternoon, all of you. We prepared a special video for what are our needs and what are our opportunities in Vaunia district. First, we see that video. After that, we can discuss.
Thank you very much. Vanakkam and welcome. Today, we are presenting the investment case for the Vavuniya district, the undisputed economic gateway of northern Sri Lanka. This presentation is brought to you by the District Secretariat of Vavuniya. Over the next 15 minutes, we will not just show you land and infrastructure, we will demonstrate a strategic roadmap. We are opening the doors to 4 key divisions: the commercial hub of Vavuniya town, the agricultural heartlands of Vavuniya south and north, and the industrial frontier of Chedikulam. Let us explore why your next major portfolio addition belongs here. Why invest in Vavuniya? The answer lies in our unique geography. We call it the 1.5-hour economic zone. No other district in Sri Lanka offers this specific advantage. We are situated exactly 90 minutes from the Trincomalee harbour to the east, the Dambula economic centre to the south, and the energy hubs of Mannar to the west. We are the sole entry point connecting the northern province to the rest of the island. With a district population exceeding 190,000 and a literacy rate of 92.5%, we offer investors a highly trainable, low-cost workforce in a climate that is ideal for both dry zone agriculture and renewable energy. We are not just a transit point, we are the destination. Connectivity is the lifeline of any investment, and Vavuniya is the spine of the north. The A9 highway, which you see highlighting the center of our map, is the busiest artery in the country, carrying over 15,000 vehicles daily right through our district. But we look beyond just north-south traffic. The A29 and A30 highways provide seamless east-west logistics corridors. Furthermore, the Northern Railway line is fully operational, capable of hauling heavy freight containers directly from the port of Colombo to our station. Finally, the Vavuniya airfield, currently a military asset, stands ready for civilian expansion, capable of handling ATR-72 class aircraft. To help you navigate the landscape, we have categorized the district into 4 specialized investment zones, each with a distinct economic identity. First, Vavuniya town, our commercial engine. This is the home of the University of Vavuniya and the District General Hospital. It is the prime location for investments in retail, banking, and private healthcare. Second, Vavuniya South, which serves as our strategic agricultural corridor connecting us to the north-central province. It is ideally suited for integrated agriculture and agritourism projects, capitalizing on its scenic landscapes and connectivity. Third, Vavuniya North, our greenfield opportunity. Offering vast, unutilized flatlands, this division is perfect for large-scale commercial agriculture and ecotourism. It is also a key zone for livestock development, offering ample space for modern cattle farming. And finally, Chedikulam, our designated industrial frontier. Beyond its factory zones, it is the emerging hub for pilgrim and wellness tourism. Furthermore, its extensive land banks make it the prime candidate for mega dairy farms and industrial grazing projects. Let us begin with a high-yield opportunity in the experience economy, the Marutha Nilam Eco-Adventure Park, located in the Asiculum GN division. Strategically positioned just 12 kilometers from Vavunia town, this site offers the perfect balance. It is easily accessible via regional corridors, yet secluded enough to offer a truly authentic off-the-grid experience. We have designed this as a community-led destination divided into 3 distinct, high-revenue zones to maximize visitor spend. Zone A is our culture and stay hub. Here, we envision solar-powered wattle and daub mud chalets that offer sustainable luxury. This zone centers on the village lunch culinary experience, connecting visitors directly with local food culture. Zone B unlocks the potential of the Marutha Nilam tank. We are proposing a controlled nature swim enclosure featuring floating decks and safety nets. This fills a massive gap in the market for safe, freshwater recreation in the dry zone. Finally, Zone C targets the youth and corporate markets. This is our high adrenaline zone, featuring a 200-meter zipline, canopy walks, and rope bridges. It is the ideal venue for team-building retreats and adventure seekers. This is a ready-to-launch ecosystem of culture, nature, and thrill. Next, we move to the absolute entry point of the northern province, Irata Periakulama, our designated Northern Gateway Tourism Zone. This project leverages unbeatable connectivity. Located directly on the A9 main line, every vehicle entering the north passes this site. The infrastructure is already investor-ready, with a massive 33,000-watt electricity capacity available on site. Our objective is simple: to create the first major leisure stopover for tourists. We are not just building a rest stop, we are building a destination anchored by the Kalnadinakulum tank and the cultural significance of the Poloni Murugam Temple and Calvary Church. The investment pipeline here is robust. We are calling for partners to develop a tourist hotel and transit hub to capture long-distance travelers. Complementing this, we have zoned areas for a children's leisure park and a water park focused on ornamental fish attractions that currently do not exist in the region. Combined with a herbal garden and wellness center, this zone offers a complete portfolio of leisure, wellness, and hospitality opportunities. In Vengalachadiculum, we present a unique destination profile, Christoculum. This location acts as a green pocket, a lush forest and tank ecosystem that provides a cool microclimate, distinct from the surrounding dry zone. But its true value lies in its strategic positioning. Christoculum sits on the main transit corridor for the thousands of pilgrims traveling to the shrine of Our Lady of Modu. Currently, these pilgrims have nowhere to rest. The opportunity here is to develop a pilgrim rest and eco-wellness zone. We can capture the massive seasonal influx of religious tourists by providing high-quality accommodation and rest facilities. Beyond the pilgrim market, the area's natural beauty and historical significance to the Christian community make it perfect for spiritual retreats and meditation centers. This is a dual-purpose investment, serving a guaranteed mass market during festival seasons and a niche eco-wellness market year-round. Finally, we highlight the green lung of our development plan, the Irata Periakulum Botanical Garden. Situated directly at the northern gateway entrance on the A9 highway, this site boasts exceptional visibility. It is located just 500 meters from the main road, ensuring both security and easy access for tour buses and private vehicles. Our vision is to create the northern province's first fully integrated ecotourism and educational zone. This is not just a garden, it is a recreational hub designed to serve as a refreshing stopover for tourists and a leisure center for the local district. By investing here, you are participating in the creation of a landmark asset, a space for biodiversity, education, and family recreation that will define the landscape of Vavunia for generations to come. In the heart of Vavunia north lies Vanivalanculum, a sanctuary of untouched beauty. This area is a true biodiversity hotspot, defined by its pristine tank ecosystem and dry zone forests, making it a haven for migratory birds. We are inviting proposals to develop a world-class eco-park here. The vision includes luxury glamping tents nestled on the tank bund, treehouse accommodations, and observation towers for birdwatching. This is an opportunity to define the high-value, low-impact tourism market in the north, creating a destination for travelers seeking silence, serenity, and sustainability. Let's talk about our first major opportunity, the Vavunia city centre. Currently, there is a massive retail vacuum. There is zero modern, mixed-use shopping infrastructure between the cities of Anuradhapura and Jaffna. Yet, we have a catchment population of over 500,000 people, including shoppers from Mannar and Mullaitivu. We are proposing a 5-story commercial complex featuring a 3-screen multiplex cinema, a 500-seat food court, and Grade A office spaces. This project will not only capture the disposable income of the local middle class but also serve as a premium rest stop for the thousands of travelers transiting along the A9 highway every day. The demand is there, we need the developer. Vavunia is the grain basket of the north, yet we are losing value by selling raw commodities. We produce surplus black gram, green gram, cowpea, and groundnuts every season. Currently, these are shipped to the south for processing. The opportunity is agro-processing. We need investors to establish rice flour mills to produce value-added noodles and flour. We need factories to split and package pulses, and dehydration plants for our surplus fruits like mango and papaya. By processing at the source in Chediculam, you eliminate transport waste and capture the full profit margin. Vavunia North and Chediculam have some of the highest cattle density in the country, with acres of natural grazing land. However, our dairy sector remains informal. We are calling for a mega dairy farm project, a 500-head high-yield facility with automated milking. Furthermore, there is an urgent need for a milk processing plant to produce UHT milk, yogurt, and cheese for the local market. Additionally, with our growing corn harvest, a poultry feed mill is a highly lucrative opportunity, supplying the feed requirements of poultry farms across the entire province, which currently import feed at high costs. Addressing the northern economy's critical cold chain bottleneck, we invite investment into a hub-and-spoke agro-processing cluster. We have strategically plotted 3 processing centres in Omantai, Puvarasankulam, and Semamadu to blanket the district's key production zones. The goal is shifting from selling perishable raw vegetables to high-value, shelf-stable exports. By utilizing technology like blast freezers and vacuum packers, investors gain complete control over the supply chain, buying at farm-gate prices, processing immediately to international standards, and selling when market demand is highest. Moving inland to Nedunkani and Ojusudan, we highlight 2 resource-based opportunities. First, the groundnut sector. We are currently selling raw pods, but the real value is in processing. We invite you to establish factories for peanut butter and oil here to capture the full market margin. Second, our forest borders offer non-timber products like wild honey and exotic fruits like wira and palu. This is a unique chance to produce premium, organic jams and juices specifically for the export market. The northern province is rich in Palmyra resources, yet its commercial potential remains underutilized. In Vavunia North and Vengalachediculam, we aim to scale production of organic Palmyra products such as low-GI jaggery and odeal for export markets. With strong women-led microenterprises already in place, this investment focuses on central processing, branding, and certification to transform traditional products into high-margin, socially responsible exports. Aruvith Thodam Reservoir is a prime blue economy opportunity. We propose dual investments in inland fisheries and ecotourism. High-quality water supports export-grade ornamental fish and freshwater prawn farming, while the scenic reservoir enables eco-friendly cabanas and nature trails. This creates a balanced revenue model, daily income from aquaculture and seasonal returns from tourism, delivering sustainable growth from our natural assets. For the high-net-worth investor, time is currency. Vavunia possesses a fully maintained, military-grade runway. The opportunity here is a public-private partnership to construct and operate a civil domestic terminal. Imagine cutting the travel time to Colombo from 6 hours by road to just 45 minutes by air. Beyond passenger travel, this hub will serve as a critical exit point for high-value agricultural exports such as freshwater shrimp and cut flowers, transporting them rapidly to the international airport at Kachanaik. This is the future of northern logistics. In Vavunia division, land is our greatest asset. We have identified large parcels of flat, non-flood-prone land in the Omantai area suitable for a northern international sports complex. This envisioned precinct includes a 25,000-seat cricket stadium, synthetic athletic tracks, and indoor courts. Why here? Because Vavunia can serve as a neutral, accessible venue for North versus South national tournaments. Furthermore, the dry zone climate and high altitude make it a perfect pre-season training base for Colombo-based sports clubs. This is a chance to build a legacy project that drives sports tourism. The momentum in Vavunia is building, and we are eager to share this potential with visionary partners like you. By investing today, you are not just securing a business opportunity, you are helping to write the next chapter of the Northern Province. We encourage you to reach out, share your interest, and let us personally show you the connectivity and resources we offer. We look forward to welcoming you to Vavunia and building a successful future, side by side. We truly appreciate the time you have spent with us today. Vavunia is ready for you, and we look forward to welcoming you as our partner soon. Thank you.
Thank you. If you have any questions, we are ready to answer. Or otherwise, we will meet in the field at Vavunia. You all are welcome. Thank you.
Thank you very much for that very elaborate presentation.